How to fix Android Auto is not working in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, then check your charger works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.